Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a non-prescribed discount on a service level and for a child. So to create a non-prescribed discount at the service level, you're going to click on the service menu and under General, click on Details. You're then going to click on the Discounts tab and click here to add a new discount. You're going to select the effective to and from date. So this is when the discount will apply. And in the discount type drop-down menu, you will see a list of non-prescribed discounts. You can choose between either daily dollar value, a percentage of session fee, or a weekly dollar value or percentage of the session fee. This means the discount is off the session fee, not off the gap fee, which potentially may change the child's CCS entitlements. This would only impact CCS-enabled services. So because I've selected the dollar value of session fee, it's asking for an amount value. You can then select the discount category. Now, if there is no discount category that suits your discount type, if you have got the user role attribute super user, you can click on add new and create your own discount category. If you want this discount to only apply to bookings that have been marked absent with a specific reason, you can select a reason. But please note this is optional and not mandatory, and you need to ensure that you only select this absent reason if that's the purpose of this discount. Select the applicable days. Select the rooms that you wish for this discount to apply. You have the option of all rooms or a specific room, and select your booking types. You will notice there's also a field to apply a tag. This means the discount will only apply to a child that has this tag applied in their details page. However, please note, if you do create a discount based on a tag and the tag is removed from the child's details page, the full discount will be removed. So it is an all or nothing concept. You need to also add in a contribution description or reason that is submitted to CCS, and this will be provided on the session report and is automatically submitted. Once you've completed all of the applicable fields, you then can click Save. This is the same process for a child. When going to a child's details page, you can click on the Discount tab and click here to add a new discount. And in the discount type, you will see the list of non-prescribed discounts that you can select from. You then just complete the applicable fields and click Save. If you require any further information on how to create a non-prescribed discount, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.